Hi, and welcome back to winemastery.co.uk. My name's John Lyford, and this is
John Murphy.
And we're here to tell you all about wine, hopefully help you find the wine, if not the wines that you will absolutely love. You know, that special wine that even if you don't think it's right for you, you know your mum's going to like it, or your dad's going to like it, you know, and actually just getting to appreciate wines. We'll try and help you find your way to a wine that not only you will like, but also other people may be able to enjoy with you.
Right, John, I don't think I've ever heard you say that one. I mean, we've been working together for a while, but that whole, that your mum's going to like, that your dad's going to like, what?
Well, I think it's a matter of when you're doing wines. One of the big things with wines is that you think, I like this wine, but I don't know if everyone else is going to like it. Yeah. And the advantage of taking a bottle of wine out to someone else saying, well, actually, this isn't one of my top wines, but I thought you might like it. You know, it shows consideration. And then also, if they don't like it, you don't look like a chum, because you're not saying you like it, you're just saying you thought they might.
I'm not sure that's right. Right, so you're suggesting I like these wines and thought they might like that one. Well, it is what it is. Anyway, so John.
So with my mum in mind, she actually said to me, you know, I like this wine. Why do you never talk about this one? Well, it's one we've not tried, and so I thought, well, to be fair, and actually to our taste buds, I think probably, John, this isn't going to be one that you are going to particularly enjoy.
I'm always game to try a wine, John.
I know, but I mean, you know, obviously we have to say that, you know, we've always said that, you know, one wine that I like, you may not, because, and that's why there are so many different bottles on the shelf.
Yeah.
This one probably, it's not one, I'm not prejudging it because, I guess I am prejudging it, but you know, people do like it, and it's unfair of us, I think, with this this channel, just to drink wines that we really, really like, when there may be wines that we ignore that you may like. So for that reason, we're trying this one, which is a pink Moscato. Help me here.
Moscato.
Thank you. Moscato. Moscato, is it?
Moscato, yeah.
So we're trying that. It's produced by Barefoot, and we'll do some links to some of the other Barefoot wines that we've tried. Some have been very, very good. But let's give this one a go and see what we think.
Yeah. First of all, I mean, this is one of your mum's favourites, is it?
It is.
What's your mum's name?
She's called Peggy.
Peggy. That's a brilliant name. I'd love that. Hi, well, Peggy, if you are watching, thank you very much for your recommendation, and looking forward to giving it a go. What's that face for?
Talking to me or to Peggy?
No, to you. Peggy, thank you. I'm looking forward to having a go and see where we get with it. I understand you really enjoy this wine, so let's see what you're enjoying about it. And I'm interested, John. Let's have a go.
Let's have a go. So first of all, it's a very sort of salmony colour, isn't it? It's very salmony. I mean, I'm trying to think of the last wine that we've had that's had that much salmon colour in it. I can't think of one.
About that, I'm really impressed that you know when you said that. I thought, yeah, you were spot on with that. It has got that salmon colour.
You're impressed I'm not colourblind?
No. I was just because you know when you look at it and you think, oh, and then you said salmon. I thought, yeah, you're right. You're spot on there, spot on. So right, I'm gonna go straight into the nose. That's straight.
Yeah. Well, immediately I can smell that sweet.
Yeah, it's an obvious.
Oh, yeah.
It's floral, kind of honeysuckle-y.
Yeah. What's that? Well, there is a fruit there.
Well, it's almost like a peachy, nectarine, peachy.
Yeah,
peachy.
A very sweet one, rather. Yeah.
Almost one that's just gone over the point of being ripe.
Yeah, very, very soft and yeah. Eat me now or it's too late.
Yeah, you're done. Peggy's watching. I'm sorry, Peggy. I'm sorry. She moved. Anyway, get back to tasting wine.
Yes.
My goodness. Yes. So smell overripe stone fruit, we'll call it.
Yes.
Well, it sounds probably better than
yes.
whatever you said.
Yes.
So let's go straight for a
much
place of
better.
a flavour. Let's taste it.
So let's taste this.
I'm just kidding. I'm gonna have to have a minute here. You taste for a second,
Okay.
John. I'll get into it. I'll get into it.
Let me just while you settle, let me tell you what I'm tasting.
Please do.
It's not quite as sickly as I anticipated from the nose, from the smell. It is quite sweet, but it is quite juicy. It's quite juicy.
Right, John. Yeah, just from right, John. I'm going to taste this because
Yes.
you're just making me laugh now.
Okay, sorry.
No, it's fine.
It wasn't
it's fine.
intentional, was it?
No, John, it's absolutely fine. The descriptions just get worse and worse. No, better and better. But anyway, right,
Yes.
I'm gonna have a go with you.
Yeah, thank you.
You're all right, John. You're all right. I'm here for you. Can't believe your mum's watching and everything. Right. Ooh.
Do you see what I mean about it being sweet?
Yeah.
But not, as I say, it's quite juicy, isn't it?
Yeah, it is quite juicy. But for me, it's leaving a cloyness there.
Okay.
Mm.
Which actually suggests to me, one of the things that as soon as you said that immediately, this I bet would be a really interesting wine to pair food with. Because I bet I think that on the label it suggests Asian food. And I bet this would actually, if you had some sort of some slightly spicy food, I bet it would transform the taste of not only this, but the taste of the food you were eating.
You know what? I'm actually I'm thinking about it, but I'm not feeling it. I would actually, after tasting that and thinking about the Asian food and the spiciness, I don't know. I really don't know if we'll go to. I would have to actually physically do those together because I'm not. I don't know.
So I mean, can you not imagine? This is really the acid test. Can you not imagine a cheese with this?
I'm thinking. Yeah, of course I can. Yeah. I think with this, because that's got the sweetness, you're obviously going to lean towards the saltiness, but you don't want to go overly salty. So something like probably Yorkshire Blue, or even now this is a really bit, even something like Scent to Go, because it has just a hint of salt without being too much, and I reckon that sweetness would just complement that. But I can't see it with spicy food. I'd have to try it. I mean, I'm not going to discount it for 1 minute because that's not what we do. I'll try it. I will try it, and we'll have an update on that at some point. But
Well, I think this is to be fair, we're doing this review, and it's not a wine that we would be the first bottle that we'd go to in the rack if we were looking for a wine to drink. So it is very difficult in terms of to be fair to the wine, to do that sort of review, because to both our tastes it's not quite right. But for someone that likes sweet wine, I think this would be excellent. It's not just sugar. There are some complexities there. There is the sort of the floral taste to it. It is very juicy. The length of it is very reasonable. So it is a wine that you could sit down and just if you like sweet wine, you could enjoy this. Again, I think this would possibly be okay for people that would like a dessert wine, but something that's not quite too sweet. And I bet I'd be really interested to do some sort of food combos with this. I bet there are some that would really, really hit the spot with this. So I think it's a very interesting wine. If you like sweet wines, I would definitely say give this a go. I mean, I think it's about $6.75 so you're not, you're not sort of like breaking the bank to at least give it a go.
No, credit where it is due. Upon tasting, all I'm going to say is it's simply not my style. So, and again, we've talked about the subjectiveness and what some people do like and what they don't. It's simply not for me. But as John's just said there, I can appreciate it's not sugary sweet. It doesn't have that. There's a nice floral side to it. Very rose. Rose petal, that comes through quite strongly on there. And if you're a fan of the sweet wines, then fill your boots kind of thing. But it just. I'm doing it injustice because it's just not my style of wine. But Peggy, if you like it, you go for it.
Yeah, absolutely. Everyone out there likes it. And if you try a bottle of this, I mean, I think the other thing is to say that in no way are we saying, we would look down on you if you like this just because we don't. That you'd have the same right to look down on us if you, wine that we drank just because you didn't like it. It's not the case at all. It is about, your own preferences. And if this hits the button for you, then it's a good bottle of wine.
Well, how many times, we have said it on many occasions, if a bottle of wine is £5 and you like it, it's a good bottle. That really is how simple it is, and that's what we're trying to do in these videos as well, is take the snobbery out of it. We're by no means snobbish. I'd suck the alcohol out of a deodorant stick, but... I wouldn't. But...
No.
So, with that...
I hope you've enjoyed this video. I say, if you do like sweet wines, you should definitely give this one a go. If you like these videos, please subscribe to our channel. If you like this one in particular, give us a thumbs up. And if you click the little bell, that makes sure that every time we produce a video and publish it, you'll be notified. And we hope to see you in the next one. Until then, chin chin.
Chin chin, Peggy.